The year 2026 has brought us to a strange and exciting frontier in personal technology. For a decade, we have looked at earbuds as a way to listen to the world. But today, with the release of the AirPods Pro 4, Apple has flipped the script. These aren't just for listening anymore. They're for seeing, they're for sensing, and they are for interacting with the world in a way that feels like pure science fiction. If you think the jump from the original AirPods to the Pros was big, you haven't seen anything yet. We are standing on the edge of the spatial computing era. While everyone was looking at the Vision Pro headset, Apple was quietly shrinking that same technology to fit inside your ear canal. This is the AirPods Pro 4. We're talking about integrated infrared cameras that can see your hand gestures, the brand new H3 silicon that redefines noise cancellation, and a battery system that finally breaks the 30-hour barrier. In this video, we are going to explore why these are the most important earbuds ever made, why the US audience is already calling them Vision Light, and why you might finally be able to leave your phone in your pocket for good. The H3 chip, the supercomputer in your ear. Everything starts with silicon. The H2 chip in the previous generations was a miracle of engineering, but the H3 chip inside the AirPods Pro 4 is a monster. Built on a 2-nanometer architecture, the H3 is focused on one thing: real-time neural processing. Why does this matter for your music? Because the H3 chip is sampling the environment 96,000 times per second. That's double the rate of the Pro 2. This allows for hyper-adaptive audio. Usually, adaptive audio just switches between transparency and ANC. The Pro 4 does something different. It identifies specific sounds. It knows the difference between a siren, a baby crying, and the hum of an airplane engine. It can selectively delete the annoying drone of the plane while perfectly passing through the voice of a flight attendant asking if you want a drink. It's not just noise cancellation, it's noise management. The infrared revolution in air gestures. Let's talk about the feature that is currently breaking the internet. For the first time ever, the AirPods Pro 4 featured tiny, invisible infrared cameras. These aren't for taking photos, they are for spatial awareness. According to the latest leaks and patents, these sensors can detect your hand movements in the air around your head. This means you don't have to fumble for the stem of your earbud while you're running or wearing gloves. Want to turn up the volume? Just scroll your finger in the air. Want to skip a track? A simple flick of the wrist. It's in-air gesture control, and it feels like you're using the Force. This is a game changer for athletes and people in cold climates who can't easily reach their ears. Apple is turning the space around your head into a digital interface. Vision Pro Synergy, the missing link. In the USA, the Vision Pro has become the gold standard for home entertainment, but it always felt a bit isolated. The AirPods Pro 4 are the missing piece of that puzzle. Because of those infrared cameras, the earbuds can track your head position relative to the headset with sub-millimeter precision. This unlocks ultra-low latency lossless audio. When you're watching a movie on Vision Pro, the sound doesn't just feel like it's coming from the screen. It feels like it's anchored to the actual 3D space. If you turn your head, the sound stays exactly where the virtual speaker is. It creates a sense of presence that is so real it's almost unsettling. The Pro 4 is